In this video, we're diving into how to use a VPN on gaming consoles like the PS5 and Nintendo Switch, even though they don't support VPN apps. We'll break down exactly how to set it up, what your best options are, and which VPNs actually deliver smooth, secure, and lag-free gameplay. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you stay safe online, especially when you're gaming, streaming, or just trying to enjoy content the way it was meant to be enjoyed. So if you've ever asked, can I use a VPN on my console, or why would I even want to, then stick around. We've got a lot to cover. Now, why would you use a VPN on a gaming console? Let's start with the obvious question. Why would you even want a VPN for your PS5 or Nintendo Switch? The big reasons boil down to access, protection, and performance. Access games early. Some titles or DLC drop earlier in other countries. A VPN lets you switch regions and grab content before it hits your region. Stream more content. You can unlock streaming platforms or libraries that aren't normally available in your country. Avoid bandwidth throttling. Internet service providers are sneaky. If they notice you're gaming or streaming a lot, they might slow you down. A VPN helps stop that. Reduce lag. By connecting to a server closer to the game's server, you can potentially get a faster route and lower ping. Protect your IP address. If you're playing PvP games like Call of Duty or Fortnite, a VPN hides your real IP and protects you from DDoS attacks or targeted harassments. So yeah, there are real benefits, but there's a catch. Why it's not that simple on PS5 and Switch. Now, unlike your laptop or phone, you can't just download a VPN app on your PlayStation or Nintendo Switch. These consoles don't support native VPN software at all. So to get a VPN working on a console, you've got to think outside the box. Fortunately, you've got a few solid options, and they're easier than they sound. So let's break them down. Option 1, use a VPN via your router. Why it works. So this is the most reliable way to get VPN protection on your console. You set up the VPN on your router, and then every device connected to your router and Wi-Fi, including your console, is automatically covered. How to do it in plain English. So sign up for a VPN that supports routers. Think NordVPN, Surfshark, IPVanish, ExpressVPN. They all do. Log into your router's admin panel, usually by typing something like 192.168.1.1 into your browser. Upload the VPN's config files. These come from your VPN provider's website. Choose your server location, like Japan for early access or the US for Warzone. Save the settings, reboot the router, connect your Wi-Fi console to Wi-Fi like normal, and boom, you're now gaming through a VPN. Why it's the best. So it encrypts everything. It's great for households with multiple devices. Once it's set, you don't have to mess with it again. The downside, it's slightly technical to set up depending on your router. If you want to avoid the headache, ExpressVPN has its own custom router firmware, which makes this a lot easier. But NordVPN and Surfshark both have detailed setup guides too, which we'll link in the description below. Option 2, share a VPN from your Windows or Mac. Now let's say you don't want to mess with your router. Fair enough. You can also share your VPN connection from a computer. And here's how to do it, the Windows version. So install a VPN like NordVPN on your PC. Go to your Windows settings, and then network and internet, and then mobile hotspot. Enable the hotspot. Go to adapter options and right-click your VPN adapter and go to properties. In the sharing tab, allow other devices to use the connection. Select your active hotspot in the dropdown. Now on your PS5, connect to that hotspot via Wi-Fi. Now your console is connected to the internet through your PC, which is using the VPN. Now the Mac version, it's possible, but Apple dropped support for most secure VPN protocols and internet sharing. So it's not recommended unless you know what you're doing. Stick with the PC or router methods if possible. Option 3, use Smart DNS. Great for streaming, not for gaming. Now, if you're mostly trying to unlock streaming content like Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or Hulu, this is a simpler workaround. So Smart DNS changes the region your console sees without encryption. It's fast and easy, but it won't protect your traffic or lower your ping. How to use Smart DNS. So first off, sign up for a VPN that offers Smart DNS, like NordVPN, Surfshark, or ExpressVPN. Go to the VPN dashboard and enable Smart DNS. Copy the DNS address it gives you. Now on your PS5, go to Settings, Network, and set up Internet connection. Choose Custom, skip the DHCP, and enter the DNS manually. Save and restart. Now your console thinks it's in a different region, and you can access content libraries from around the world. Again, this is only good for streaming, not for security secure private gaming. All right, now let's talk about the VPNs that actually perform when it comes to console gaming. I've narrowed this down to a few that stand out for speed, ease of use, and just overall value. First up's NordVPN, the best overall for PS5 and Switch. They have super fast Nord Linux protocol. It works on routers, supports Smart DNS. It's great for reducing lag and protecting from DDoS attacks. They've got over 7,400 servers in 100 plus countries. They're independently audited and have a no logs policy. So if you're serious about performance and you want all the setup options, whether that's router, PC sharing, or Smart DNS, then NordVPN's hard to beat. It's also the best pick if you want to reduce ping without sacrificing privacy. So if you want to get started with NordVPN, we've got a link for you down in the description. Just click on the link, click on Get NordVPN. You can choose between their 4 different plans as well as choose a length here. So we'll go ahead and choose the 1-year option and we'll choose the plus plan. And then as you can see, for only $71.88, you're going to get a year to NordVPN. Now NordVPN also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead, try it out, see if it's right for you, and make your decision within those 30 days. Again, link for NordVPN down in the description below. Next up, we have Surfshark, the best budget pick. You get unlimited devices per account, which is perfect for big households. It's got fast speeds with the WireGuard protocol. It works with router and Smart DNS. Super cheap. They can get started for as low as $1.99 per month. And Surfshark's great if you're trying to get good performance without spending a ton. You still get all the essentials: DDoS protection, decent server network, and solid support documentation. If you want to get started with Surfshark, we've got that link for you down in the description. Just click on the link and click on Get Surfshark VPN. Similar to NordVPN, you've got a couple different plans to choose from on a couple of different terms. So we'll go ahead and choose the 1 option, and we'll choose the 12-month option. So here for a year, it's only going to cost $50.85. Again, they also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out, see if it's right for you, and make your decision within 30 days. At number 3, we got Proton VPN. Great for privacy. It's got excellent security features. It's open source and audited. They have VPN accelerator for lower latency. It works with routers and PC sharing. Proton VPN is a great option if you're extra concerned about privacy. Just know that Smart DNS isn't included and setup can take a bit longer. Now, if you want to get started with Proton VPN, we've got a link for you down in the description as well, where you can get up to 64% off Proton VPN by using the link in the description. Just click on the link and click on Get the Deal, and it'll bring you to this page right here where you can choose between one of their 3 different plans. And the difference in plan is just the term. So they got a 24-month at $359 a month, 12-month at $399 a month, and a month-to-month at $999 per month. So just click on Get 24-month deal. And then as you can see, for only $86.11, you're gonna get 2 years to Proton VPN. Lastly, we have IPVanish, and they have no device limits and an easy setup. You get unlimited device connections, you get fast speeds for gaming and streaming. It's great beginner setup guides, and it works with routers and PC sharing. So if you want to just install your VPN on every device in your home and forget about limits, IPVanish is a solid choice. To get started with IPVPN, just click the link down in the description and click on subscribe now. From here, you can choose between a 1-month, 24-month, or a 12-month option. The 12-month and the 24-month options are also 30-day money-back guarantee. Can I use a free VPN on PS5 or Switch? Short answer, don't. Long answer, most free VPNs don't support router setup or Smart DNS. Speeds are throttled, you'll lag like crazy. Data caps are tiny. They may log your activity and sell your data. So if budget is a concern, just use a premium VPN's free trial or money-back guarantee window. NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, IPVanish, they all offer 30-day money-back guarantees, so you can test them with 0 risk. So here's a couple common questions that we get around this topic. Will a VPN lower my ping? It might. If you connect to a server closer to the game's servers than your usual route, it can reduce ping, but results will vary depending on your ISP and your location. Can a VPN help me bypass SBMM? It can, by letting you connect through a region with easier lobbies. There's no guarantees, but some gamers swear by it for games like Warzone or Apex. Is it legal to use a VPN with PS5 or Switch? Yes, VPNs are legal in most countries. Just make sure you're not violating any game-specific terms of use, though bans are rare. So just because your console doesn't support VPNs doesn't mean you're stuck. With a little setup, either through your router, a shared connection, or Smart DNS, you can unlock region-exclusive games, protect yourself from DDoS attacks, and maybe even get smoother gameplay. My recommendation? Go with NordVPN if you want the best balance of speed, privacy, and setup flexibility. But if you're on a tighter budget, Surfshark still gets the job done. especially if you're just looking to unlock content and protect your IP. Now, whichever one you choose, just remember, once it's set up, it just works. And if it doesn't, every one of these services has 24/7 support to walk you through it. Now, if you want to get started with any of the VPNs that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel, and they allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.